So hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you some cool technique to remove grains or some type of snowfall or rains. So let's start our video, and before starting this video, as I say to everyone, Jai Sri Ram, Jai Mera Bajrangi. So I have this footage, just see completely here. So I have this footage, okay. You guys see this smoke, right? So I gonna remove this now, okay. How can I? First of all, I take this footage, okay. Then what I will do, I will denoise it. Take here denoise, just connect this and sampling this, okay. And little bit I am giving this amount, it will denoise fully, right? See, now what I will do, after this I will take here one node that is called temporal median. After taking temporal median, see what it's happened. All my grains are removing, right? And all the details also, I mean with details the snowfall also, right? So what it does actually, this node is used for taking, I mean this keeping median, okay. It's just giving a filter, right? Medium filter, right? It built for to remove grains. So it's basically taking the current frame, previous frame, and I mean the median calculates the current frame, previous and the after frame forward, just calculating it and try to mix and match, right? It's put, I mean it's convert the median in that frame, put that frame, right? After taking, don't push too much, okay, or else the detail will be too much loss. See, my grains are, I mean my snowfalls are removing, right? Now for example, if I just try to play, still little bit grains are here, right? So what I will do, I will take here another node that is called time echo. Type here time echo. Now what it does, as simply go here, it retain frame look at it takes, it actually blend two frames, right? First of all, it is one right now. If I get two, now it's just blending, right? Now there is a max operation. If I put this plus, see it does just plus both the frame, right? 1 and 2, like this, for example. Same average also, but in average it doesn't mix too much, but it actually does, but very less. And what is frame fade out? This put the two frame, I mean this remove the two frame, actually some kind of opacity down, okay. So if I put this two, see what will happen now. If I put this one, and if I put this, for example, max, see it just fading, right? When I put 2, it's just fading. Now if I put this 2 and I put this 8, see it little bit fade out, right? So it's just fading out, right? 2 frames. The one older frames, basically older frames will be fade out, right? So I put this one for now, and I put this average. Now I put this here 8, okay. Let's see, now it will take, it will very heavy. See all the snows are removing, right? See, but yes, there is some issue with this, okay. So don't worry about that. So basically it's blending 2 frames, right? So no issue in that, okay. So give me some lower value also, don't put too much frame. And after this I put the temporal median a little bit higher. Now almost my snowfall will be removed. See, almost it's removed. I can push it little more further, right? Here in this area, for this area especially, I can do it in a 4 here, and I put this max. If you put this max, it's coming higher. I put this average only, and just let me check. Okay, now I put little bit up this, okay. Now see, it will remove, okay. So time echo will help you to remove more. So there is some little bit still you guys can do more further, but if you see properly, the sharpening is removing, right? I need some contrast, right? So for that only, what I will do, I will take here a node called CIO color space, and then I put this color space in a slot 3. Just copy and paste this node again, go to this node and this swap this input and output. After this, take a sharpen node here. I mean it will give the exact result what I want, okay. And in this way it doesn't sharpen too much, okay. It will measure a level. So after this, what I'll do, I put this sharpen amount higher, like 8, but not 8 will be very higher. So I put this 2, okay, for now, or 2.18, okay. My sharpen is back. But if you see guys, there is a problem, okay. So what I will do for now, I will take a roto, don't worry, and just in this, like this way you can just give the sharpening, right? But yes, just look out this. If you guys facing issue, then take this here and feather it out a little bit like this, so it doesn't take too much, okay. we have to feather it out, right? Especially the sharpen. See? So do one thing, keep the roto down, right this, so it doesn't too much give feather, I mean too much give sharpen. So what I will do, just take a blur node also here, okay, and obviously is just play with this, okay, like size and amount, it will solve, or take another roto for here, now it will solve. See, but yes, there will be some detail issue like this 1 and 2 if you do, okay, so some issue is coming, but no issue, don't worry, it will solve the area. So it will work in some shots only, don't worry. So if I play it now, okay, so see my output is giving so much, I mean my output is so much better right now, right? So like these only I have made this template, okay, and see, but the value is different and it's giving me a too much better data, but it will take a time to buffer, but it's the output is too much better, right? So these are technique, tip and tricks to remove grains or remove like snowfall like this, or some rain effect, okay, there's a cool technique or tip and tricks you guys can say. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So if you guys like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And before ending this video, as I say to everyone, Jai Sri Ram, Jai MERA, BAJRANGBALI.